Alright guys, so I'm getting this P2118 throttle actuator control motor current and range performance. So what my car is doing, as soon as I turn it on right, then the vehicle, when I push the gas pedal, it doesn't respond. So that's what it's doing. It doesn't even rev. It stays at 1000 RPM. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to fix this right now. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm gonna do is check my fuse box, because working on cars before, I found out that before it could be very easy fix. It could just be a fuse that's blown, and in this case right now, I did check the top one right here, which is the ETCS, and it's a 10 amp. This one here was blown. So that's most likely going to be the fix. I went ahead and put a new one, a new 10, and then we're going to test it out and then clear the codes, and let's see if my engine revs. Alright guys, so I went ahead and replaced that fuse and then went ahead and fixed my car. The check engine light was on, it would not rev, it would stay at 1 when I would push the gas, and now that I replaced that fuse, we're back to normal. You can see there I ran the code scanner again, no codes are stored, and then pending codes, no pending codes, nothing, it's gone.